So it has been good news and bad news coming out of Binance camp. So on January 1st, 2022, I received an email saying that no one can no longer trade or do anything with the account, and there has been restriction on your account with if so that was meaning that you couldn't sell anything or you couldn't buy anything off your Binance account. But then on January 6th, this new one came out. And then this one just telling that okay, so the important Ontario Binance user account update. So it has been updated on this one, basically saying that you are writing to you to confirm that your account with Binance has been restricted and you are not permitted to trade any product. So they're saying that we can't buy anything or trade any product, just like the first one they sent. But if you look down here, I also said Binance users in Ontario can close, reduce, and/or redeem their positions and can withdraw funds from their Binance account if they so wish. For derivative account, users can top up margin balance to prevent margin call and liquidation. So basically, if you have any margin calls, just so before they can take everything you own them, you can top up to cover your loss or whatever it is. For that purpose, they will allow you to do that. And also over here saying that you can withdraw funds from your account. So basically, I'm guessing, I'm not sure what exactly this means. If say you sold something already, your money just in your account, I'm sure you can take it out. But also up here where it said no trade of any product. So I don't know. I'm saying if you own something already, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to sell it to take your money out. But I'm sure if you have the money in the account already, you can take it out. So that part over here is a little confusing to me. The fact that you're not permitted to trade any product. If I can't trade anything, if I own something already and I'm selling, I'm guessing that be trading because I'm selling it to get my money back. I'm trading whatever crypto I have to get my money back to be able to withdraw it. So I'm not sure on this one, but I think if you have the money in there already, you can take it out. But if you have to sell, you won't be able to sell. That's what I think. So down here, okay, we recognize that these restrictions may be destructive, and we apologize for any inconvenience that this may cause to users. We also apologize to the Ontario Securities Commissions, and we take full responsibilities by taking these restrictive steps. So basically, that's it. That's what it is. Is if you didn't sell before, I don't know if you're gonna be able to sell, but the first email that came out, they also said if you have your account already, they're not gonna close the account, but you weren't able to take your money out or trade anything. But now this updated one saying that if you already have money, they can take your money out, or if you need to cover any of your, I guess, derivative and margins, you can top up, meaning you can put money in to cover for those for your loss. But that's about it. You can't really trade for now. But the first email I got before also we're talking about they're still trying to work things out and see where that will end up. So hopefully, let's keep our fingers crossed. We might be able to get back on Binance again and hopefully be able to trade on Binance again. Like I always say, I like trading on Binance because they have all the new cryptos, and it's a lot of cryptos you can find on Binance that you can't find on, say, the Canadian site, NDAX and Simple. That's why I like trading on Binance, and also a little bit easier to get your money out and not paying taxes. I think that's the problem why we end up where we are now, because we're not paying taxes to the government, and that's what I think is pissing them off, that they want their cut of the profit that you make. That's how we ended up over here. So hopefully they'll work everything out, and if not, at least Simple and Nandax should step up their game and get most of the cryptos they have on Binance so we can trade it over there too, because we don't mind paying taxes over. It's a Canadian company, you're gonna have to pay the tax anyways. But if Binance is not willing to work with the Canadian government, then it's a big problem, because Binance was really good to me. It was made some really good gains on Binance that I was fortunate enough to take all my money out from Binance, but I do have, I think, about 20 something dollars in Trust Wallet. And I think Binance and Trust Wallet is the same company, but that's okay though. I'm just leaving that one. My account's not going to close. Hopefully it goes up a lot before, and one day they just hope allow us to trade again so I can get that $20 up. But if I don't get it out, it's okay. That was mostly our profit anyways. But that's the update for Binance for now. So don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.